Wearing proper running shoes can't be stressed enough. If you don't have the right shoes for running, you'll be miserable and risk injury to your feet or other parts of your body. Replace your running shoes after 300 to 400 miles. Clothing. There are fabrics that wick sweat away from your body to keep you dry during a long run. Cotton should not be worn because when it gets wet, it remains wet. Wet clothing saps energy in cold and hot weather. Warm up. Warm up before a run. Walking for 5 minutes prior to running is better than stretching as it gets the blood flowing through your body, warming up muscles and prepping the nervous system for activity. Fuel up. Eating properly before a run helps fuel your body. Consume about 200 to 400 calories protein and carbs 1 to 2 hours before a run. Running too soon means you're still digesting the food, which results in fatigue. Hydration. Drink 20 ounces of water about 2 hours before the run. Drink water during the run. If you plan to run more than an hour, consume sports drink with electrolytes to replenish spent fuel. GPS watch. You don't need to spend money on a GPS watch or one with a heart rate monitor. A basic, inexpensive digital watch serves the purpose to time your laps and to track the distance. Apps for running. Smartphone runners can choose from a multitude of applications to download which use tracking technology for runners. Look for activity trackers, music and calorie counters that can motivate you to run even farther. Talk test. This is a test that marathon runners use to monitor their workout energy level. If you can comfortably talk to a partner while running, you're working at a good level. Don't make it too easy, but stay at a level where you can converse without strain. Relax. You should be relaxed when running rather than hunching your shoulders and tensing your hands and arms. Release your jaw muscles, open your hands, and be sure to warm up before every run. Build on your running routine. Building a good running foundation leads you to add on to the running routine by trying other exercises, or increasing your running workout to include more mileage, hills, and pace work. Varying a workout routine is the best way to achieve the ultimate in fitness.
Check out my observation.